Is that a Supra?
I don't know how to work the radio, so it's on my phone.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Me and Chris, we're about to slap some coilovers on the STI. STI? What the heck? Supra, I mean. I'm so used to saying STI, and we got the Supra now on the channel, baby. So 2 days into ownership and we're already about to lower it because we got to get ready for H2O. So, and I think I might slap on the TE37s off the STI onto this. I think the TEs will look super mint. These are nice wheels. They're a little beat up and curb rashed. I might rebuild them. I might just sell them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but man, this thing looks so good. I love this car. I can't believe this car is like 30 years old. It's freaking like older than me. Man, I'm in love with it though. It looks so good. It breaks so many necks when you're driving it down the road. Look at that. Ah! It's so good. Dude, I don't even notice like how many necks I'm breaking down the road just because I'm freaking concentrating on staying in my freaking lane. You stick way too close to the left side of your lane when you're driving on the right.
YouTube loves dogs. Show props.
He looks like he's gonna eat me. Is he mean?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I know pit bulls can be all cuddly, but man, they got a face that'll just, they're gonna
Wait.
kill you.
Sit. Sit. Wait. Wait.
Damn, he's
Wait.
packing. He's packing some schmeat.
You got a big dick? Good boy. Alright.
Alright, you guys, we finally got the front strut out like 2 hours later because it would not budge out of here. Basically, we let the coilover expand and then it was harder for it to pull out. But the new ones should be a lot easier to put in because it's a lot shorter as far as height. So we're not going to slam it or anything like that. We're just going for a nice flush fitment. So we'll see how it looks. Alright, so we just got the first strut in there. It looks very nice and pretty. We got the other stock strut out from the other side, so I'm gonna knock that in. Put that in, I should say, and then we just gotta do the rears, which is a lot easier than the front. And she'll be good to go. I'm not slamming it. It's gonna be, you know, just a little bit lower than stock, but it's gonna look good. And I think I'm gonna put the TEs off the Subaru on this car. In the meantime that I get the other wheels and stuff ready to put on. All right, you guys, so we got the wheel on here. As you can see now, there's absolutely no wheel gap. It looks a little funky right now because these wheels aren't aggressive, but once I put the TEs on, it's gonna look a lot better. But yeah, she's low in the front. We just gotta do the rear. I was just telling Chris that, man, we started off by working on Civics and stuff, and now we're working on freaking Supras out here. He's got his 1J swap SC300. Big boys. Alright, you guys, fronts are officially done. We're about to drop it. It's gonna look really good. Alright, moment of truth.
Oh, fuck. Too low.
Oh, that's too low. Dude, it's like I'm fucking bagged. Dude, look at the freaking lip. Oh my gosh, it's too low. Look at that. It's like this thing's bagged. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to raise it. Fudge. Damn.
But also the back.
Yeah, that looks dope though. You think it's because the back is still low?
Yeah, it could be with that. We'll fuck with it.
Yeah, look at that. Freaking. Hey, I bagged my Supra. That looks dope, but we can't drive like that around here. Nova roads suck. I want to enjoy the Supra, not hate every time I drive it. That's dope though. Looks like a freaking Supra in Japan. Those Japanese static boys. Alright, you guys, a little update. We got the rear struts out. Now it's just time to measure the coilovers. Make sure we like the height we set them at, because obviously we did not like the fronts. We got to raise it like 2 inches. And we'll be good to go. We're going to go on the first little drive. Alright, you guys, we just finished the rears. We're about to see how it looks with all 4 coilovers installed and car on the ground. We're gonna have to raise the front still. We still have to do that, but oh, the rear is perfect. That's good.
Yeah, we just have to raise the front.
The rear is good. Yeah, that's perfect. The front just has to be raised maybe like 2 inches and it'll be perfect. Good to go. That's it though. We did it.
Congrats.
She looks good. All right, you guys, here it is. All done. Coilovers are on. I went with Fortune Auto 500 series, 12K spring rates all around. She looks good. The front is a lot better. It was way too low before. It's a good ride height. The lip isn't too crazy low to the ground. The car looks freaking perfect. Looks freaking amazing. This is such a good looking car, dude. I can't believe this is 30 years old. That's crazy. We're gonna take it for a drive now just to see how she rides, make sure there's no noises or anything like that. All right, you guys, I just took it for a drive and the car feels good. Feels good. No clunks, no noises or anything like that, no squeaks. So it looks like we did a good job. I think we can lower the rear just a tad more, maybe ½ an inch, and then everything will be perfect, but the car looks freaking amazing. I had my friend drive it as well, just so I can see how it looks when it's driving. Man, this car looks good. The front end sitting so low like that, it looks perfect. I freaking love this car, you guys. So coilovers, check. We just got to get the wheels done, and then I have headlights and taillights, and then we're gonna get some stuff serviced on the car at Nova Speed Shop. There are some things that the car needs to get done before it's absolutely perfect and minty for driving with no worries. But other than that, they did let me know that the car is healthy. They did a compression test on the motor. Everything is perfect. There's just little things, you know, obviously with a 30-year-old car, and they said this car, it seems like it's been sitting around for a while. You know, things are gonna, you know, get old and wear down and stuff like that. But overall, the car is really good, so that's perfect. I got a really good deal on it from Right Hand Drive Specialties, so again, go ahead and check them out. But overall, yeah, I'm really happy with this car. And I promise you guys we're gonna do a manual swap sometime next year, maybe sooner, and then, you know, we'll get into the performance stuff with the car. So anyways, remember to like and subscribe down below. Lots of new content coming to the channel, especially with one of the absolute best cars that has ever hit the freaking market. So hope you guys enjoy all this stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.